Houston, we have a problem. But this time, it's at China's Tiangong space station. 3 astronauts are currently stranded in orbit after a bizarre domino effect left them without a ride home. Here's what happened. The Shenzhou 20 capsule, which was supposed to bring its crew back, got hit by space debris. With its viewport cracked, it was deemed unsafe. So, in a last-minute swap, the Shenzhou 20 crew used the newly arrived Shenzhou 21 capsule to return to Earth. This left the Shenzhou 21 crew, who had just arrived, without a functioning lifeboat. Now, China is scrambling to launch an uncrewed Shenzhou 22 capsule around November 25th to serve as their replacement escape craft. While the stranded astronauts are safe for now, it's a tense situation. This highlights the growing danger of space junk and the complex challenges of long-duration space missions. We'll be watching closely to see Shenzhou 22's rescue mission unfold. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more space news.